don't mind that shit, okay? No big deal. I've never been one to say my car is perfect. It's a fucking toy. I'm a little hard on it, so I don't want to be all crying if I fucking scratch the tip, you know what I mean? Try this shit again, new pad. I used that other pad on that other tire, so at least got me through one of them. Ditch this fucker. And I got a 240, it's still holding together. Ish. Doesn't come from. Let's take a look at that right there. It still looks rough, but it took all that dried shit off. I mean, look there, there's lines and shit in there. Now let's see what this smooth shit does. Good shit. This is really good shit. It's better than... Oh, fuck. In Wyoming, it's always fucking blowing. Way better than Armor All, because when this shit kind of sets, it doesn't leave a greasy film and it doesn't attract dirt shit like Armor All or other shine products. 303 actually cheats the rubber, I think. That's what I read. We'll see. So you gotta admit that looks way better. So yeah, now I'm gonna have to make a video of me burning these motherfuckers off. Put a bunch of time into them, just to fucking let them have it. Tread's still decent on these tires, pretty decent. We'll show you what they look like on the car. See if I get them on there. I gotta get some rims that match, so these came with those rims. I'll probably just run them for now. I'm ghetto. The car ain't perfect, it's just a toy. LT1. It's 383. 383 cams. It's got a 503 comp cam. Full inch 3/4 headers to 3-inch exhaust. Running Spin Tech mufflers. Full roller. I just got this running. Actually, I should have did a video on putting the head together, but live and learn. I don't have a very good sized garage. There's another LT1 I'm working on. Well, we'll get to burning these fuckers off, huh?
America, motherfucker.
Yeah, you're one of the assholes that's getting us kicked out of here by fucking running your car like it ain't fucking shit.